Good morning, dear students. I would like to quickly introduce myself. I am Seema, lecturer, Department of Commerce from BVES, Akkamhadevi Women's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bagalkot. Now let's get started. Today I would like to discuss about one of the important topic under business communication skills subject for BCom second semester students of Akkamhadevi Women's University Vijaypur, and the topic is time management. And the time management is one of the important topic under study skills, and you already know that time is precious. It is necessary to plan and spend it fruitfully and successfully. Yes, students, none has more than 24 hours, but with proper time management its benefits can be increased manifold. And the one of the definition of time management is that the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities to increase effectiveness, efficiency and productivity. That means it is the toughest task of allocating time for various demands of time for study, office work, social engagements, family, personal interest, and other commitments. We do not want to leave any of these, but limiting factor is time. So, this act of specifying and finalizing or finishing each activity within time itself is called as a time management. And here, while managing time, we have to set priorities and judicious allocation of time and assessing the actual time spent, reduction of process and finding out modification of our behavior. And here the next important topic under time management is allocation of time. That is, the time can be allocated on the basis of importance. And here the allocation of time for various activities can be made depending upon the types of activities. And the first one, important and urgent. That is, be given top priority and should be done right way. These cannot be postponed, and because these activities are important and very urgent, we have to did it quickly. And the next one is on the basis of important but not urgent. These appear to be important but do not require to be done right now. It means these can be postponed but decide when to do these activities. And the next one is urgent but not important. And here these activities are such that they do not have value or have little value, but they are to be finished urgently because these activities, therefore they can be assigned to others, no need of doing on yourself or on self. And the next one, not important and not urgent, and the name itself says that these can be done and do not have any stuff in them. By giving low priority, they can be finished later on. And on the basis of these 4 points, we have to allocate or we have to manage the time. And the next important topic is that is ways of effective time management. And it means that the management is really a challenging one, that is a time management in the midst of various forcing activities. And it is true that if succeeded in time management, it definitely pays off in terms of satisfaction, lower stress and productivity. And because these points are play a very important role in the proper time management. And the first one is that understanding goals and priority. And here it means that always match the activities with your business goals, and it means that have a list of short term and long term goals. Your time be allocated to activities that generate income for you people. and it means that we already learned in the above meaning that write down 3 or 4 important and urgent activities which must be finished today only, and on the basis of that you have to easily reaching your goals within a one of the setted time period. And the next one is make schedule and plan ahead. That is, without any proper plan it is very difficult in order to manage our activities or the time. And it means that we have to organize the activities of a day and a week in advance. It means every day take just 10 minutes before going to sleep for listing next day's most important and urgent task. And with the help of this, with the help of proper planning, and we have to easily and effectively success in our managing the time or management of the time. And next one is set boundaries and know to say no. It means that in workplace you have to set boundaries, you have to communicate your limits directly but in polite manners. So there is a need for deciding the emergencies and time not to be distributed when free for open and phone calls. And the next one, team schedules to be followed. That in your workplace you have to divide your activities on the basis of priorities, and you have to spend your time on the basis of the importance and do not waste unnecessarily. And this is one of the important way in order to manage the time. And next one, managing distractions, and a very important one. And it means that even if we plan very carefully there will be some distractions, they should be accounted for and managed properly. And here students, it is very important point is that there is a need for giving sometimes for a short walk in corridor, a cup of tea, etc. Because time must be given for some good distractions, and at the same time there are bad distractions also. If they require more of your time it is better to avoid them. Therefore we must know that what our good distraction and what is our bad distractions. And for example, there is a need for tracking self introduced interruptions, that is social media type. And nowadays the most probably the hiccup plan for using smartphones and various apps, and if they are important then only you have to spend your time with that, and otherwise you have to leave that type of the bad distractions. And the next one, good office system. And through good office system, a survey says that about 30% of time is spent for searching for misplaced items in an office. And because of that we have to, time is really the only capital that any human being has, and the only thing uh, cannot afford to lose. And we should try to maximize return on time and capital by best use of it, because it the one of the best way is that we have to properly manage all the items, and that should be easily have to get it in when we need, and that is called good office system. And use delegation tools, and it means that when we have suitable, qualified, and decided employees, much of our important tasks can be delegated. And through delegation, through assigning our work with another person, our work to another person, this helps to save much of our valuable time, which can be utilized for more productive purpose. And we have to involve in some of the other important activity, and this is possible only through the delegation application of technology. And nowadays many time management apps are available. Instead of accomplishing everything manually, Android, and that is a iOS, that is iPhone operating system device can be used. These will ensure accuracy and boost our work productivity. and controlled email time. And it is one of the important tasks is that in every business, particularly in the growing concern, email consume much of time. And because of that, beginning of the day, before lunch, or at the end of the time, and these type of schedule you have to manage, you have to make for the controlling of email timing, otherwise it will distract from high priority work. And the one more item is that monitor the spent time. That is very very important. There is a need for tracking the schedule to find time spent productively and unproductively. Yes, that is, it means that whether we have to properly utilize our time or not, and if not, we have to take care of that, and we have to leave the unproductive activities and care yourself. And very very most important one, and in all our busy schedule, adequate provision is to be made for healthy sleep and required exercise. All plans can be effectively executed only health fitness maintained. And this is very important one. And one more topic under time management is, and benefits of time management. And after that, what benefit we have to get, that is, like Peter F. Drucker says that until we can manage time, we can manage nothing else. And effectively managed time ensure the most important benefits. And the benefits by managing the time, that is, first one, we have to get enhances reputation. Proper scheduling and execution of plans in time enhance the status and reliability. And no control or the through proper time management, that is a fruitful utilization. And we can assure of the best utilization of time by allocating the time where it has great impact, and this is maximum benefits and reduces stress. The one of the most important with the help of time management is that, uh, like uh, through proper time management, we have to easily done our all the activities, and through that which certainly lower the stress. And the next one, more options. That is a good time management. A common understanding is that the luck favors the better prepared people. Better work load management. And through time proper time management, this will help to get more things done in less time, because everything is scheduled. Only thing remains is the execution of it. There will be no waste of time at all. To rework, and the time management technique, a kind of organized approach to total works to be done. This ensures that works to be not to remain pending, and also absence of any mistakes, so the questions of rework does not arise, and no waste. And here, and we all have know that it is true that no one can create more time than 24 hours in a day, but one can make better use of time with the proper time management. It ensures no waste of time and make life easier. On the other hand, it helps make life easier. Everything we need not think for taking up the task, but only implementation of planned work. This will make life easier. And last one, no postponement. Through proper time management, it consists or compels us to finish according to schedule, and it helps to increase our status and punctuality. And due to this, a good time management would make life disciplined once. And so, dear students, the time management will play a very important role, and because of that, you have to concentrate more on the time management. Through proper time management, you have to do your activities. Dear students, thank you so much for your interest and attention. Thank you one and all.